What I am saying is a unification of the movement, whatever division is there, unorganized and organized, that will go only when the organized sector unions take this task upon themselves and integrate in. That is why I am of the viewpoint that this is a great opportunity for uniting the trade union movement. And this opportunity should not be missed. That is why all the trade unions in the country to see that a single trade union is created, one union in one factory or establishment, or one union in the industry, one union in the state and nationally. That sort of thing for the trade union unity now is an opportune time to work out, and the trade union should be having an independence from the employers, independence from political parties. That is required at the moment.